August ni som pathum sang ni som ni paruk ani kha nia buai kha khawp mai Trump pa hian in hmala in rem dir tum viewa amar chu Israel sipai te hian in be pui hin lo thlak le tarup mai ni Benjamin Netanyahu ka inhoinan hoi hian ti hian Israel sipai te hi lo che chuak le tarup mai ni he thil hi kan ria kang eng tin tak nge he thil hi aron khena tin thil poi thleng thei donem ramdang pakhat poimo lutuk he thil hi aron in rol boron chong chuak bok ani let's go.
Days after US President Donald Trump announced a major milestone in his plan to end the war between Israel and Hamas, Israel carried out its first airstrike in more than a week on the Gaza Strip.
Donald Trump akha chuan in hma la ve ni ati tha ve lutuk hetiang thila hi chuan ma po ala ati tha a be ve na sa Trump hi mo a thei tok chuan a be ve na sa lutuk Hamas le Israel te po in rem ti ra tum viau amaro chu khatianga Trump na ma an la kar khat an ral nu chuanin Israel sipai te hian hetiang hian Gaza Hamas te hi an lu be le to ani in rem to tur ani lai khanin hetiang hianin Israel sipai te an lo be le a wange airstrike.
Israeli Defense Forces IDF launched an airstrike targeting a Hamas commander in northern Gaza.
Gaza marlam northern Gaza hian Israel sipai te hianin jet fighter mangin Gaza a Hamas commander om pakhat hi anwa target le ani amar chu makati deu chu Hamas commander te ho point thi deu vek to turanga kalonga amaro chu alola ni lo ni hi ladaman mo anti fight helo Israel hianin a be ne so to fu heti chung po hianin lo ladam to hi chu an la om vereng ti hi heta tang te po hianin a hriat thei ome.
In a statement, the IDF said that the militant has been eliminated in an aerial strike.
Jet fighter tak mangang mo he ti hian an that pop mai ni
It claimed that the attack has been carried to remove the Hamas commander's threat to the IDF troops. The Israeli military also said that
Hamas commander here in Israel sipai te tana thil om thei tur zong hian in tela lo soi nge chet la ka lo tum nge ka chu a soi chiang chu lo wan yu sian amaro chu aron soi thil chiang de pakhat chu Israel sipai te na hetianga Hamas commander an tha na chan hi jet fighter ma an han bom hlum na chan hi chu he Hamas commander hi Israel sipai te tan hianin ala la om thei do nanga an ngai wang te po ani thei ani ka thil om thei ani tin Israel te hianin he Hamas commander hi eng tin nge khoya tak nge chu mi huna chuan a om ti te po hi an hriat thei jok ti te po hi an intelligence that je hi chumo bom turu tak mai ani mosa te ho hi an bon khop mai ti chuan hi thil phat ka shil du chu tu na katar mit volai mek hi hetiang hi indu ve ani chuan in tu na hianin TNM optical chan mari aizola hianin ka ming jes marin va soi chuan mo discount an lo pe cheunga free gift an lo pe cheunga August thatopa giveaway atel thei tur hianin ineligible bok do ani chu fan chuan in TNM optical chan mari aizola hian he phone number te po oma vakal veru vador vere tarmit an nei sil hlom lutuk ani ka lang ven hi ke te po mo in lo balei ve don nio okay reaction jamang
that it tried to mitigate civilian harm.
Civilian harm civil mi te he Israel sipai te hi chuanin a civil mi te enge tha emo khatianga han hliam pal emo khatiang tilo theitur ang ber khan tuna hi chuanin action hi anala chho ve zel ani amalo chu thil boy thak le thil poi de chu tuna hianin inrem an tumani mo inrem an tumani amalo chu Israel hianin du dan la nei tlat maya Trump pana khatianga enge mani notification ran ti chu ama ngei poina aron post on nu khanin Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu chuanin acha amaro chu risala om tho chu wang chuanin Hamas te hianin an silai zong hi surrender vek ro se rocket ani amo silai ani bom ani amo keini Israel sipai te min be theina tur ang chi man ro re ral thuam shrim hi le Israel mi puite an ron be theina tur shrim man ro hi aron surrender vek phot sela khatiang ani ma kha chu he deal hi a thleng lawang te in Trump pana khatianga proposal ron siam kha an ni chuanin ai a theilo hetiang hi kan du dan ani an lo ti ve mak mai ni hi chu Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu pa hi video ma saka react to ang khanin le lam tak peizonin a huai sen ang reng khop mai ni
Similarly, the Gaza Civil Defense Agency said that the body of the Hamas commander has been torn to pieces.
Bom darh vek te an chu the body has been torn to pieces mo arwang kha han hlom tak kha engma om lo darh apuak darh ve kan ya taksa kha ahan target fuchiang rem ve.
However, it added that the strike targeted civilians in northern Gaza, saying that 5 people have been injured in the aerial assault.
Israel si paite chuanin civil mi te kha ti hliam lo te han ti na lo te kha tum view ma se heta hianin report ina tarlan dan chuanin Israel ina hetinga be pian thana hianin mi panga in hliam an lo tuar le thau ani.
The latest attack comes after US President Trump's Gaza Board of Peace implemented a ceasefire that mandated Hamas to fully surrender its weapons.
Trump Gaza Board of Peace kan in ka hai han puang ve rup maya thil rai hi chu asoi hi chu lo ola ni he han puang rup maya mo kan Trump pu ya po khan ama ro chu he an hanin be le thau kha ani aboi tha ko.
The ceasefire also mandated Israel to initiate a phased withdrawal from Gaza. However,
khang teng te po kha Israel te chon an tile du mi lo a chan chu a ri sa sang an ti tat chan chu Gaza atanga I Israel si paite ata tola hanin thiar chuak tura ti kha ani kami Gaza Board of Peace ina in ka hairon puan khan mo Hamas te na an ral thuam te an surrender mai ba ka khan Israel si paite po Gaza atanga ata tola in thiar chuak tura ni amaro chu Israel si paite hi Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu ka Israel no hianin an la ti du lo he thile hi chu mo.
Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has rejected the deal publicly and vowed that they would not pull out their troops until Hamas completely disarms itself.
Khata kha
The board also assured Netanyahu that Israel complete disarmament of Hamas. Following this, Israel
an rap thak tur ve ha chu le mon internet diglom ni ha mara so ka soi tum ber zo ka chu Trump le Netanyahu te po hi te hian kan shelo te po hian phone mang te pon la in bele do thea amaro chu Benjamin Netanyahu hi huai ka ti ve na chan chu ki tiang hian khovel song song she thei tur hian Trump du dan kha apom du lo ve mak ngam hi he a hoi sen ka ti ve ang ran kho ma chan chu he Trump hi chu ami je hi kan thria ani angai dan le adu dan hi chu kal tlang pui tum ve tat mi hi ni hian langa amaro chu khatiang ang ani chunga khatiang kha mi zong kan hria dan ani la ya Benjamin Netanyahu na ai kan ti don lo alo ti ve mak ngam me kha mi zong hria thei tura lo ti mak ngam kha a huai sen khatiang ti lo khan heta ke ni hre lo te po hianin an lo in be thei thawa mo ma amaro chu anin be thawin ka ringa te hen khovel hria ta aron puang zar ngam ta tho hi hi chu Benjamin Netanyahu poi le lama chonin huai sen vengot mai ha ti ni
only happen after the complete disarmament of Hamas. Following this, Israel's Defense Minister Israel Katz has vowed that the IDF troops will continue to stay in Gaza, Lebanon and Syria during a visit to southern Lebanon.
Gaza, Lebanon le Syria te hian in Israel si paite hi te hian izar phal zel lo ani anin withdraw don lawan om char don ani ngai dana zon in Israel si paite hi anin hnuk kir se chu or Israel lama ron hole se chu heng ram kaltang hian helai Israel si paite na anlo opthin ka kha chua santa se chu khalai mun ve la tang khanin hel ho tam tak khanin Israel an ron be theina chan sakha asang ni te po hianin alang ani chu wang chuan in Israel si paite hi heng Gaza, Syria le Lebanon ate hian an om char don anti top mai ni
Lebanon. He even said that he would keep the Israeli troops in a security zone and destroy their infrastructure in Lebanon, Syria and Gaza. In response, the U.S. has sharply criticized his statement. Washington said that the defense minister's comments fly in the face of Israel's assurances that it has no territorial ambitions in Lebanon.
Kaka Israel Defense Minister ina khatianga athilaron soikha US nam pangchan lo la thu takhop maya Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu na ai kan ti don lo ati ai po khanin kami an Israel Defense Minister ina Israel si paite hi Gaza Syria le Lebanon tra hianin kanin nukir don lo kanin la chuak don lo ati kha an la thu tak zok dai mai ni US te ngai dan chuanin Israel hianin ramlak bel atum lo tak tak ani sonin nga tinge hetiang zong hianin an defense minister hian thilaron soi khatiang kha US ngai dana ni dai mai ni hi mitam tak hianin social media vela po hianin Israel punan hian an mangamo Israel hianin Greater Israel project hiti hlotlin tuma hemi atan hianin tuna hianin ma an latana an sipai te hi hetiang hian Lebanon ate Gaza ate Syria ate tinghanin mundang ate po an la dabel zelang ti anga ngai pol kha an lo om vezel bokani social media mutur tam ni hemi Greater Israel project chungchang te po himo.
In a statement, the U.S. State Department has urged all parties to act in a manner consistent to the agreed framework, while adding that a permanent military presence would hinder long-term peace and security in both the states.
Tiếng Israel te hianin in sipai te in da ring don ani chuanin remna le mona om thei tak tak lawang tiang kha an tia chu wang chuanin mi zong te US na he tianga proposal aron siam te hingai poimo a lo zom vek turin United States lampang chuanin Israel te poin cha ve mol thawani amaro chu US te Israel te in lei chin ha chu kan thria mo.
Furthermore, the US has reportedly condemned Israel's failure to crack down on the rampant settler violence in occupied West Bank. According to reports, Washington has
US in Israel hi adem ve thawani tianga in be na halo thleng le train hi mo han mani sipai te omna huna ngai
raised serious questions as to why Israel is allowing anarchy in West Bank. The condemnation by US comes after Israel announced that it would send more troops to impose order on defiant settlers after failing to end their blockade of Palestinian homes in the West Bank.
Israel sipai te hianin sipai te hi thon lu bel an tum ni na langani achan chu khilai hmuna lo om Palestinian kan ti ang chi te ho po hianin Israel sipai te lo ngai thei big wak lawa ado zong te pon lo kho sal ve te pon ni theya boina siam ang zong te pon mo Israel sipai te na Israel sipai te an lo kal du lo awanga boina siam te po khan lo om te pon ni thai khang teng te du lo boina siam kwal vel va control tur khanin Israel hianin na sipai te hi atir lu bel mai thei bokani hetianga ni hi chonin Trump na Gaza Board of Peace hatianga an ti chho vela ka hai an puang le renga thin te po hi omzia anei chho don lo view ni in alang ani hetiang thil hi chu Trump na hetianga ma an lak na Israelina alo ti hlo tin sak du lo hi chu Trump ta po hianin lelam takhi chonin aza thlang na chen te po om ve theya khovel ram suai tu khovela ram suai tu ro pui berte zinga mi mo khovela ram suai tu ro pui berte zinga mi na khatianga thilanti Israelina lo ti hlotlin sakdu lo kha chu le lam zong tak phei chuanin Trump tam po hina za thak mai thei ani.
The announcement comes after a group of settlers sieged the village of Kusra in central West Bank by setting up makeshift tent near houses, even blocking essential supplies from entering. Meanwhile, Turkey lambasted Israel for trying to remove Palestine from the world's agenda. At a joint press conference with his Palestinian counterpart, Mahmoud Abbas, Turkey President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has accused the Netanyahu government of profiting from chaos and new conflicts in the Palestinian territory.
Turkey lampang chuan in Israel hi an ron dem rem khawp mai ani Turkey chuan in Israel hi hetianga buaina atanga hlok na lo tel tum manga aron puwa Turkey le Israel te po hi nia tema anin karbo ro thalo de wanga soi thin te po kha ani ta khatianga ni lai khanin US le Turkey te po kha lo in be thale tho bok se mani ani to summit Turkey ne te po khanin Trump te po kha han kala khatianga thilom dana ni po ni se mani te po khan Turkey Saudi Arabia le Pakistan te po khanin enge defense trilateral defense pact agreement te in tan puiton natura agreement te po kha an lo sign ani kha khatianga thilom dana ni Turkey hi chuanin Turkey hi chuanin Israel tak hi chu angai thei vak lo don hianin ala hei to na po hianin Muslim ram tam tak zinga hianin ani hi ting hianin an aron tong chuak le ngal vat mai ni Turkey hi chu mo awa to pho an riek tui don chawa o khati zong kha ani angai nam chin a chu mo khatiang kha ania boi thak thin khop mai Trumpan man la view ma se Israel lampang hianin ngoi ro ala ni thei chi lo han lo ti ani berani cho